Hey, this is Rob Lantrip at Townsend Nissan, my commercial guy. This is an NV1500, our full-size cargo van. It's got a payload of about 2,800 pounds, and it makes an ideal HVAC van for heat and air conditioning companies. This one's got the Adrian HVAC package in it, getting ready to deliver it to a customer, and we'll take a look inside and see what you get. You've got the bulkhead, you've got shelving. Those are lockable shelves on the right hand side, bins on the left. Lots of room in there. And if you need to back up, get close, these doors open all the way around and they stop with a magnetic lock. Got 4 shelves for the refrigerant. Really functional unit, and Nissan will pay for the majority of this installation. This one also has a ladder rack on it. On our standard roof vans like this type of ladder works great. A lot of times on our high roofs, we get the pull down with the bar where you can let it down. But this one's ideal for an HVAC company. Another view, looking through the side door, you can see the shelving, the bins for parts, and the lockable storage over on this side. Plus you've got a place here that you can put work orders. Now in the front is a place for a workstation. You've got a built-in table here. You can put a laptop in here, or you can use it for a writing area. Like I say, very functional. Now this particular one is a 6-cylinder, 261 horsepower that gives you plenty of power in this size van. And it's a little less expensive to buy than our V8, and it is also a little more fuel efficient. Now, these vans come with a 5-year or 100,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. That's an industry standard. Nobody else has got it. That means if the radio or the air conditioning goes out, or the engine or the transmission needs work, Nissan will pick up the tab for 5 years or 100,000 miles. So you get security when you buy one of our vans. It's a body-on-frame design, not unibody like a lot of the other vans are. It's built like a truck. You've got the engine out front where you can work on it. A lot of great features. Come see us at Townsend Nissan, the commercial department. We're open for business.